Another day, another Dollar Tree haul. It is slowly inching into the Halloween and fall decor, and every time I go in, they don't have the full display up yet, so I am patiently waiting, but if I see some pieces, I do end up grabbing some. I've probably spent maybe around $50 to $60 so far in Halloween product. I do continue to go back just to see what they have, and if I get more stuff, I will film yet another haul. But for this haul, I just wanted to show you things I got that I plan to decorate with or craft with. We do have a visitor. I don't know how long she will end up staying, but for right now, we will welcome the visitor that is here. Oh, that lasted 2 seconds. Oh, we're just getting more comfy. And she's gone, which is fine. I will do this solo and she will walk from a distance so far. For the first bag, not Dollar Tree, just plain on the bag. These are from Hobby Lobby. I plan on doing a craft with them, but again, not from Dollar Tree. I got two paper lanterns that have ghosts on them. You will notice the red sticker means that there is a price increase on the item. So I think they would have been originally $1.25 and now I believe they were $1.50. But they're just two ghost decors that I will use to decorate the normal thing that I do between the entryway. You will see that in a video soon. I did grab some like spider web ribbon. It is 3 yards of ribbon. I think I got 2. Yes, I believe I got 2. I am planning to put these on the kitchen cabinets, but wait and see if I do something else with my ideas. Next is not Halloween related, but I did find it at Dollar Tree. It was $5. It is a 48 count balloon kit. It comes with 16 balloons. It says it can extend up to 16 feet and 50 pieces of balloon dots. I have done arches in the past and I was curious how well a Dollar Tree archway would perform. So I will eventually use this for a party or something just as a review, but I did not know they had archways kits there, and I think that is very clever of Dollar Tree. It is very popular right now to do the balloon arches, so we'll see how well this actually lasts and performs. I just need a party or an event to use it for. Lastly in this bag is a whole bunch of flowers. Let's see, I have some more Thanksgiving ones, fall ones, some white leaves, and then some orange leaves. Again, these are all marked with the red dot to show a price increase. Lastly in the bag is just flowers for Halloween to decorate with. I got 2 purple, 2 of like this dark gray, kind of maybe a hint of blue, and then 1 black. Again, they all have the red sticker on them saying a price increase. I will say with a price increase, the bouquet of flowers is not any thicker with more flowers or anything like that. I hope that they make that change soon, that if we're increasing prices, maybe we can add another 2 or 3 flowers on it. I don't know, we will see. I haven't really decorated for Halloween much. It's not one of my favorite holidays. I'm much more bright, festive colors, and so these like blacks and purples and grays, it's not really in my color palette, but I'm going to put up some decor around my house and show you guys some craft ideas with Dollar Tree products for Halloween season. So I will see what I end up doing with these flower bouquets. Next is this much larger bag of decor from Dollar Tree. Let's see. I got a wooden ghost and then a jack-o'-lantern. These are both actually pretty large. There's no measurements on them, but they are pretty big. I will find something to do with them. I don't have any ideas currently, but I will dream up something to do with them. I then got this ribbon garland. It just has pieces of fabric kind of tied together, and I got 2 of them, I believe. Yes, 2 of them. They had them in different patterns and colors, but these are the 2 I grabbed. I then got 4 of these metal pumpkin wire pumpkin wreath forms. I wanted to do some crafts with them. I'm kind of thinking, I feel bad sharing all of my ideas with you already without even doing the video. If I don't actually do the video and I'm just sharing ideas. But I'm kind of thinking maybe if I can put them together and fill it with stuffing and see if I can maybe make a decor pillow or maybe a wreath. I haven't actually decided what I'm doing with them yet, but stick around to my channel to see if I actually end up using these and what I use them for. Next up in this large bag of stuff, we have some more Halloween decor, just some dark gray kind of black glitter ribbons with skulls in the center, and then some black spiders. And also some glitter bones. I'm not going to tell you my idea for these. I'm just going to wait and see if it happens, and you will see it on my channel, because I'm not sure anymore. But you will also notice the red sticker dot on almost all of these items. If they're not with a new red sticker dot, then they just took a permanent marker and scratched out the $1.25 price. But all of this, again, did go up in price. I also got some floral moss. It has like browns and greens and dark greens in them. I got 2 packs of them for my spooky season decorating. I will see how well these actually break apart after I take them out of the packaging. I then saw the mini 12-inch stacked pumpkin decor. I'm not really sure what the price was because they covered up the price. I don't know if it was $3 or $5. And I didn't ask for a receipt because I forget that I filmed this on YouTube, and I'm sure you guys will ask me prices. I am so sorry for that, but I'm going to assume they were $3. I hope they were $3 and not anything more than $5. But they are just 3 stacking pumpkins stacking on top of each other, going up to 12 inches high. Lastly, I got, I believe, 6, way too many of these foam. They say they're for carvable pumpkins, but there are 6 of them to do a craft with. They are 5 by 4 inches in size. Hopefully, yeah, they're all the same size, but I did get 6 of them for a project. And I also got, I don't know if I showed this already, 2 metal fall bins. One says fall is in the air, more fall Thanksgiving vibes than Halloween vibes. And the other is autumn breeze and falling leaves. And then lastly, just for me, I got 6 of the, what are they called? 6 vinyl top liners for shelves, drawers, non-slip. They have cushion and it protects. I'm going to use these in my kitchen cupboards. Sometimes I feel like if the cabinets are painted like a dark color, like a dark brown or black, I can't really see anything well, especially if there's any ants crawling around or bugs, and I do not want bugs in the house. So I figured if I put the white vinyl down, it will look more cleaner and I can see, just to make sure there's nothing happening that doesn't need to be happening. But I did get 6 of them. They also did have the red sticker also on them for a price increase. And that pretty much wraps it up for this video. I think I spent maybe about $50 to $60, $65 on all of these items. Next time I will try and keep the receipt just so I can give you guys prices, since Dollar Tree has increased their prices. I want to be able to tell you guys the right things. If you are new and seeing my Dollar Tree hauls for the first time, welcome. I am Katie. I like to spend way too much money at Dollar Tree, even with the price increases, but I do enjoy making crafts from items from the Dollar Tree, doing walkthroughs to show you what you will find in store, and reviews on their items and how well they actually work. So if you are new and want to keep following along on my journey on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button below and share it to all of your friends. I love having new people, new comments coming through of people who have seen my channel for the first time. I so appreciate it, and I will get to crafting with all of these items and show you guys some new craft ideas for the Halloween season or some new fall decor. But I hope to see you next week for another video. Until then, stay well and stay safe, and I will see you next week. See ya!